your achievements.
Srimanta Shankar Cultural Center, Bishnupur, Shillong, organized a 12-hour-long Bhagavata Katha and Kirtan called Pal Nam. Cultural Center Secretary Harendra Talukdar said that Bhagavad Katha has been going on for 75 years since the establishment of the Cultural Center. Large number of devotees attended and listened to the Bhagavad Katha and also participated in the Kirtan. Apart from the devotees of Shillong, large numbers of devotees from Barpeta, Assam also attended the Bhagavad Katha this year.
From 12 hours non-stop continuous Kirtan program, we recite the Bhagavat. This is continued till in the evening of 9 p.m. So in this occasion, the people continuous pray mass program. That is our main the activities of this program.
A